Alright, welcome to lesson 2 on comparing fractions without pictures. Now remember, when we are comparing fractions without pictures, we're looking for either, and you need to write this down on your paper, the lowest common denominator or the least common multiple. Remember, both of those are the same, but we're going to use the least common denominator when we're talking about fractions. Now, let's go through and let's get this set up. So we have 3/7 and we have 4/9. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to list all of the multiples of 7 and 9. So we go at 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, and on and on. Now we want to list the multiples of 9. We have 9, 18, 27, 35, oh, not 35, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, on and on. We can continue listing multiples of 9. Now, what we need to find is the smallest number that is common to both 7 and 9. Remember that, the smallest number that is common to both 7 and 9. So we look across both of them, and we see that 63 is common to both 7 and 9. So remember, we want our denominators to be the same, because that's going to make it easier for us to compare. So I'm going to draw this down here. So I have 3/7 and I have 4/9. Now remember, put my little multiplication sign, that we want our denominators to both be common to each other. Remember, common means the same. So how can I turn 7ths into 63rds? Well, to turn 7ths into 63rds, I have to multiply my denominator and my numerator both by 9, because 9 times 7 is 63. Well, how am I going to turn 4/9, or how am I going to turn 9ths into 63rds? Well, to make 63rds, I have to multiply 9 times 7. And whatever I do to my denominator, I have to do it to my numerator. So now I'm going to multiply 4/9 by 7/7. Now, 3 times 9 is 27. 9 times 7 is 63. Remember, we're explaining why the big X works. And once you see this now, then you can probably start trying to jump to take that shortcut. Now, 4 times 7 is 28. 9 times 7 is 63. Well, now when we compare those, well, 27 63rds is less than 28 63rds. So when we scroll back up, we know that 3/7 is less than 4/9. And here are 3 practice problems for you to keep trying that method out. Remember, go back through, watch that video again if you have to.